Add pepperoni to cream, and restaurants don't want you to know this secret. In a pan, start by adding sliced pepperoni. Mix and wait until it starts to brown. Once it's golden, set it aside to cool. In a blender, add cream, cooled pepperoni, salt, white vinegar, oregano, and oil. Start blending. Gradually add oil until the mayo reaches the right consistency. Once the mayo is firm, stop blending. Transfer it to a container of your choice. I'm using a jar with a lid. It'll look like this and makes plenty. Use it as mayo or sauce with anything you like. It's delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.